from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. It's cold, it's not very nice outside, it's perfect weather for crock pot meals. So that's what I'm doing today. It's something easy with coming off a night shift. I can throw it all together, throw it on low and let it go and have dinner later. So it's easy, it's yummy. What am I making? Well, it started out based off a crock pot baked ziti recipe, but once again I kind of made it my own because you might not have ziti on hand or rigatoni or rotini. I used rotini today and I just made my own mix. But hey, you know, it's whatever you have on hand. You can make work with this and it comes out really good. And I like it better than maybe even the baked version to a certain point because I think it has more body and volume and is just, it tastes kind of heartier. So, but it fits the bill. It's easy. It's crock pot. No muss, no fuss. It's also good for the upcoming Lent season of Meatless Fridays. This doesn't have any meat in it. So it's another option and it's just as satisfying. One of the things I did to make it my own is I added portobello mushrooms because the portobello mushrooms give it that meatiness that you might be lacking by not having a regular protein in it. So let's get to it and what goes in it. This is what goes into whatever you want to call my crock pot pasta dinner here. I have 4 cans of tomato sauce. They do have salt in them a little bit, so whether you add a little bit more salt or not is up to your taste. A pound of rotini, or you can use rigatoni, or ziti is nice. Pam, a couple cups of cheese, which we're going to split. And I'm throwing in some mushrooms, onions, garlic, some Italian seasoning, and pepper. This is so easy. Basically, you throw it all together and let it go. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to mix our ingredients here for the pasta sauce. I had made up croutons this morning from some old bread, and so I figured all those nice Italian seasoning stuff would taste good in here with the tomato sauce. No need to dirty a new bowl. So we're adding all my sauce and my pepper, my Italian seasoning, the garlic, a little bit of salt, the mushrooms, and the onion. I'm just going to give this a good stir. And the onion. I'm just going to give this a good stir. And we've got it all combined. And ready to start laying into our crock pot. Next we're going to spray our crock with some nonstick cooking spray. Then I'm going to pour about 1/3 of the sauce into the bottom here and spread out. Now I'm going to take about half the box, half a pound, and put that in on that layer. And just make sure it's spread evenly. Then I'm going to take another 1/3 of the sauce and put that on top of there. Then I'm going to take half the cheese, spread that on this layer, like so. Then I'm going to add the rest of my rotini here. Just get them straightened out. Then we can add the rest of the sauce. Like this. Then we're going to add the rest of the cheese across the top, like that. And we're going to cover and let it go on low for 4 hours. And you know what time it is. I sprinkled a little Parm cheese on top. Nice thing about this too is this is great for taking to potlucks or if you want to feed a bunch of people. It's very economical, easy to make, easy to take away, and it feeds a bunch. So it's really nice for families or get-togethers too, especially this time of year. It's something that's really hearty. It's such good comforting food, and like I said, it's so much more body and rich. So there you go, an easy crock pot pasta dinner that should make everybody happy. Super easy, economical. Most people already have everything on hand. Throw it together, make it your own, and really nice this time of year with the cold, nasty weather out. We had freezing rain and everything's encased in ice today. So it's a good meal for the day. Anyhow, that's my pasta, my crock pot pasta meal. Like I said, I used rotini. You can use rigatoni or ziti, something that's gonna take up the sauce good and make it your own. It's easy and satisfying. Give it a shot.